was different. Huh?
Yeah, I used a
No
different
worries.
theme. Yeah,
Yes,
okay,
yes, no
thank
worries. The main
Okay.
point is like whatever Mohit sir told you in yesterday's sessions, like you have to use all those apps, right? And all those,
Yes.
yeah,
Good evening, madam. This is Pratyusha. Actually,
yeah.
yesterday as sir intimated me, I tried doing it, but the problem that I'm facing is when I'm trying to upload my image, it is opening into an like a dialog box over the Canva app in my laptop.
Sorry.
I am trying to do the homework, ma'am,
Yes.
but when I'm trying to do it in my laptop,
Hmm.
the dialog box, when I'm trying to upload, it is opening as a dialog box, as a new prompt up. But it
Yes,
is,
yes. Actually, it happens like if you are going to open Canva on laptop, right? And you are
yes.
going to click on any project that you are working, or even on the new Instagram post, so it will automatically be opened in new tab. So you have to work there.
But I am unable to use the AI tools in that tool, ma'am, in that because yesterday,
No,
sir taught
it
us.
will be, yeah, I am just coming to that. Like if you are going to open any of the projects that you have worked before, like I'm
Okay,
taking the same example. So under the
okay.
app section, you can search all those things that we have covered yesterday. Under apps, you have to search the names like we have
Ma'am,
completed
I am
energy.
not getting this kind of a screen, ma'am, actually.
Like, are you able to open this?
I am able to open my Canva, ma'am, but I am unable to open the uh, uh, home. Yeah, this is exactly the what I'm getting, ma'am. Yes, exactly. This is what I'm
Okay,
getting.
so what you need to do, you have to come to this project section. As you can see in the left side of my screen, under home,
Yes,
there is project option. Once you
I
will
have
click on
opened.
it, yes,
I have
whatever
opened.
the work you have completed, like you did, you can see by clicking on it, you will be able to come to this page.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Got it? Okay, so actually, I'll check all of the homework at the end of the sessions. So before that, I just want to move ahead, like in today's session. So sorry, right? You need to share it again, like when we are going to complete this today's topic, right?
Ma'am,
At the
ma'am,
end, I will ask you
request,
again to share it. Yes.
a small request, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can I just post the 2 days homework at the end of this 3 weeks boot camp, ma'am? Before the end of this
Actually,
three
what
weeks boot
happens, like
camp?
you can share, but it's good to complete it side by side, like by
Yeah,
each topic.
I'll complete mine
It's good.
because actually I'm in hospital.
Sorry.
So I actually I'm in hospital, ma'am.
Okay,
My
you are in
father is
hospital.
sick.
Yeah, this is exceptional case, so
Yeah,
no
so
problem.
he is in hospital. So that is the reason I'm going
No
through
problem. No
the
problem.
classes so that I don't have to skip it up because everything we need to sit next to the laptop and do it. So that is the
Yes, yes,
reason.
yes. No
At
worries.
least by end of the Sunday, if possible, I'll just send you, ma'am.
Got it. Got it. No worries.
Okay. Okay.
Take
I'm
care.
not getting recordings. Please send the
Thank you so
recordings.
much.
Yes, Anandji, actually, in the group itself, like you can see day recordings, each day's recording we have.
In the group, I'm not getting the group. I didn't think so. You can add it in my group, madam. Please add me in the group.
Okay, I'll ask the coordinator. Like you can, I'll
I'm
ask the
not there in the
coordinator.
group actually. Please add me in the group and send this, no?
Done, done, done. I'll share your name.
Anand Kumar.
Uh,
Yeah,
okay.
even Shubroto Roy, madam, it's not there. Mine, I'm not getting any recordings.
Can you please write your name in the chat box? Those who are not added in the group. Anand Kumar. Okay, and the next name.
It's my mobile number.
Got it.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, myself Aryan Gupta. Actually, I have joined the boot camp today itself. So, can I get the recording of the previous 2 days?
Actually, in the group you can see.
But in the group, I am unable to see the previous links.
Okay, I'll ask the coordinator to share it again. Right?
Madam, I have also written my name and telephone number.
Yes, yes, yes. I am just noting it down.
Very good.
Please send by today without fail, madam. Hello.
Sorry.
I am actually unable to
Please
even
send
type,
the link
madam,
by
on
today,
this
no?
Unable to
chat.
what? Unable to
Please send,
chat.
Even to
please send the links without fail
type
today.
on the chat.
Please be maintain silence. Actually, I'm not getting like two-person are speaking simultaneously. Speak one by
Sorry,
one.
madam. Yeah,
Yes.
I'm not able to write anything in the chat where I want to send my name, no. So I'm not getting.
Like here you can see chat option is there in your screen. Like you can just simply click on it, and by clicking on this type message here, you can type your name.
Okay.
Right? Okay, so basically, what happened, like you have to complete your all day task, but if there is some urgency or something, like you can submit all your task at the end of the day, so it's in some other weeks, like you can submit. So, or if you are not getting all days previous recordings because you have joined right now, so I'll ask the coordinator to share the recordings again from the day one. No worries, right? So, in today's session, what we are gonna do actually, we will cover video editing. Okay, so video editing is something I made a poster like thing, but I used to all the tools. Please tell yes. At the end of these sessions by 7:30, like I'll check all of your homework. So please stop sharing links again. I'll ask you to share it at the end. So
Yes,
please stop
ma'am.
sharing right now.
Ma'am,
Now, yes.
I did my homework, but I have used all app tools on a separate pages instead of using it in a single post. So
Yeah,
is it?
yeah. No, no worries. Like you can send again. No
Oh,
worries. It's okay.
thank you.
It's good enough. Like you have used it on different pages. Basically, it's good.
Yes, thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So now you all have to mute yourself, and if you feel if you have any doubts and queries in between, then you can ask your queries in the chat box only. Okay. Now I am going to tell you, like, in today's session we are gonna cover video editing from Canva tool only. So for Canva tool, what happened actually, we have already completed too many things, like how you can start designing through taking any template from the Canva only, or even you can take any of the pages and start creating from the scratch as well. Now we are coming to the video part. Here we can see video section is there, or even you can write video in this search box. Like I'm taking this video part. If I'm going to click on video, here you can see lot of sizes will be available to you. First one is video, that is in landscape. Here you can see the pixel size. This is for the mobile video, and it's for Facebook video. Then we have Instagram reel, TikTok video, YouTube video, which is available in landscape format. Then we have video ads, video collage squares, and many more things, like you can see such kind of videos for your LinkedIn video, video message, slideshow video, and even if we will scroll down again, you will able to see lot of templates related to this, right? So now, just wait, I have opened something. I'm just going to take Instagram reel. Okay, so what you can do, you can just simply come to this video section, or you can go to Instagram reel, or the simplest form is like just come to the search box and write Instagram's reel, and just choose create a blank. So this is how you can see Instagram reel page is there, and again the same thing is there. Actually, what happens if we are talking about video editing in Canva, working will be same, but there will be some difference in video editing. So we're going to cover what differences we have to study in this video editing part. Again, we have design, from where you can take out any of the templates related to your see, we are going to take any artificial intelligence video. So I've just written the keyword artificial intelligence, and here I can see lot of videos related to that keyword only will be there, kind of templates. See, I'm just taking this one. Like here you can see all these templates are given to you in single pages, like there are not multiple pages. There it includes only single pages. So I'm just taking this one. By clicking on this, you can see now you can watch two pages, like it includes two pages. If you want to apply only first page, then you need to click on this. If you want to apply both pages, then you have to click on apply both pages. And this is how it can be edited, right? Now I'm coming to the outside of this. Here you can see the timeline of your video. Here we have first page, then we have second page, and by clicking on this plus option, you can add many more pages in this, right? Now what happened, what is the main difference in video editing and something, like this is the pages timeline and the music and some timelines are there. You can reduce it by taking in the cursor here and just reducing it. Like this is how you can reduce. What happened actually in this case, it's all been written, it's all been placed on their position. If I'm clicking on it, the main new thing that I've already told you, that is the animation. If you want to create your poster into video, if you want to convert into video, then you need to click on this animate button. Once you will click on animate button, just wait. Here you need you can specify like the intro of that particular text, like how it will appear. You can select any of these, like if you want to keep intelligence. So I have just selected the word artificial intelligence, so you can see whatever animation I'm choosing, it is only applying on that text box only. So this is something that is for artificial intelligence. So I've just taken this burst one. By clicking on it, you can see you can change, and like if you want to keep this animation on enter only, then you need to choose this. If you want to add this animation on exit, and if we you can keep it in both as well. And if you have pro, then you can reduce or increase the intensity as well, right? So this is something that will convert your poster into a video form, like if you want to choose any kind of animation over it. And this is how you can select each and every element that is placed on this particular poster. Just click to that animate option, and this is how you can change the each and element animation in single click. Now I'm coming to this, like I have selected this photo, and if you will scroll it up, like if you will scroll it up, here you can see two options are there. First one is photo, like particularly animation that I'm going to choose right now is gonna be apply on that particular image only. If I'm going to page, page is something that is for the whole page, how your whole background will appear. So this is something that you can apply on the whole page by single click. So this is something that gonna apply in same way to all the elements that is placed on that poster. But if you want to keep each and every element to be animated in different way, then you have to it on click on it and just have to add different animate for different elements. I guess it's clear to everyone how you can add each and every element's animation. Perfect. Done. Okay, so this is the basic thing that I have already told you, like this is the poster that's been generated, and like it's been animated because we have just added animation. So this is the very simplest form, like how you can create your static poster into the video form, like this. Now I'm just going to add one more page. Again, the blank page is there. I don't want to take it from template one, I just want to start it from scratch by myself. So I'm just coming to the element section, like I have already told you about the element section in the first day, first class. Like element is the one from where you can add any kind of shape, frames, photos and videos as well. So I'm just writing the keyword artificial intelligence again, because we have taken the example of AI videos only. Now I have written this keyword. Now I am coming to videos part. So simply you can see lot of videos are there. And one thing that you need to notice is like most of the videos are in landscape form, like most of the videos. Only few videos will be available to you in portrait form, like I have taken the reel size, so only few videos will be available to, like you can use this video as it is. But in case like you want to use this video in background, or want to use this video in background, so how you can use, so what you need to do again, I have told you about dragging and dropping the image. The same thing we're gonna apply here by dragging and dropping it to the corner of video. Like if I'm going to take it in the center, it will not be applied to whole page. You have to just take it to the corner. By taking it to the corner, you can see your complete video will be visible at the middle of the corner, like half will be outside and half will be inside. So you have to keep in your mind, just drop the video where it will take position to the whole page. So right now I have just placed it. Now now what happened, like this video was in the landscape format, and I have just converted this particular video in portrait form. So by again, by double clicking, or you can choose to click on this crop button. Again you can do, you can manage like which part of video you want to take in between. So I just want to take half part of this person and half of the blank. So this is how I have just edited. Like here I can write my own content just to show the background of AI. And again I just want to change it with the another one, like I want to take this. So I have just switched that video from this one. So this is something that I have added, but like you can see the whole brain that is taken in this video. It's not completely visible because the size is different. So this is something that you have to choose smartly. Like you have to choose that kind of landscape video that can be adjusted in portrait form. If it's not particularly adjusted, then you need to avoid taking such kind of videos. Like this is the background that I can easily use because there is no nothing like which can be deleted or which can be visible here. So these are the basic things that you need to keep in mind. So I have just taken this one, like I can write my own content over it. By clicking on any video, you can see lot of options again. First we have edit. If you will click on edit button, again we have lot of options related to this. By first option we have adjust. If you will click on adjust, so this is how you can increase the brightness, contrast, vibrance, saturation, and some such kind of auto adjust things will be visible, right? This is the basic thing, I guess it's understood to all. Now I'm coming to back. Here you can see Magic Studio. Under you can see we have two options that is just for the pro users. So I'm just avoiding it right now. Then we have filters option. If you will click on this see all button, here you can see the see all button at the left side. You can see such kind of filters are there, like you can apply. Again, this is the basic thing. And if you will scroll down, you can see these are the options, that is video speed. Video speed is something like right now this video is playing in this speed. If you want to fast this, so this is how it can be moved faster. And if you want to slow this one, so this is how it can be fast and slow. Here you can see like this the speed of video is normal, and here you can see the second of video that we have already taken, that is our video is of 13.3 second right now. If you will, sorry, if you will increase the video speed, so this is how your video length will be shortened, like from 13.3 second it comes to 10.6 second because it moves faster. And if you will slow it down, then again your video length will be increased. So accordingly you have to check like what kind of speed you want to take. Then we have playback option where you want to play on repeat. If you want to play on repeat, like if I'm going to add multiple pages in this particular video and I'm going to show it somewhere, I want this to be play on repeated time, so I can keep it on and play automatically. This is something that you can use if you're going to play it somewhere. Like Now I'm coming to second option, that is trim. If you will click on trim button, you can see the video length is 13.3 second. If you want to keep the middle part of this video, like this is how you can take, like you can see from 13.3 it comes to 7.7 second, because I have just trimmed the front part and the back part. I have just taken this middle part from here to here, and it's just change to 7.5 second, because I have taken the middle part only. Now I'm clicking to trim but done button, and you can use this trim as well, or even you, if you want to trim it from the back part only, so you can use this. Like this is how, I guess it's visible to everyone, this is how you can increase the size, video length, and decrease the video length. Now I'm taking it to the 6.9 second right now. Now again, then we have BG remover, so obviously it is only for pro users. Then we have speed one option, so that is, I have already told you, by this edit option, like increase the speed and decrease the speed. By this crop option, like you can manage like which part of uh, landscape video you want to take in vertical form. Then we have flip one. Flip is something like you can flip vertically, horizontally. Then we have stroke style, like if you want to place any kind of stroke, this is something that you can see. And corner roundings, or transparency, animation, and position. I guess all these are clear to you. So this is something that you have taken the video from the element section. Now I'm coming to the text part, and I'm taking one of the text from text box, and want to write, like from this magic write you can generate AI voice or something that we're gonna cover later. Now I'm just writing artificial intelligence. We can take any of the line from the Google. See, I've just taken one of the content from the Google. And I've just pasted right now. AI quest. Can you please mute yourself, Seti Mahesh? Okay, we have more doubts. Just wait. How to add page group? Yes, I'm coming to that. You are going very fast. Okay, can we have the page in the landscape? Can you play the video reverse, ma'am? Ma'am, how should I manage the time in video editing? Now coming back, basically what happens, like if you want to manage the video length, like you can use this trim option. Actually, what happens, like whatever video you are going to take it from element section, so the video length is written like it's this video is of 29 second, this is of 14 second. So the video we have taken, this one we have taken right now, na, this is for 13.0 second. If I'm clicking on this trim button, so actually what happens, like you can trim it like this. Like if you want to um, you know remove the front part and remove the last part, so this is our, like you want to take only the last part of this video, so again this option is available to you, like you can trim this. Now tell me, is it clear? Any other doubt to anyone till now? Perfect. Right. Now I have taken one of the text. I've taken this. Now I
Ma'am,
need to change the color. Yes.
can we replace the background of the first video with the second one?
Like first video from the second one, like the
Like
pages
animation,
you are saying.
whatever we. second video background, can we replace it with the first video background?
Which second video you are talking? Like
That,
from this second page?
that brain video you have taken, no? That animation, everything you have done. No, here,
This
which
one.
the third page you have video you have added. No?
Yes.
That background can be replaced with the first video background if I want to change the video background.
Yes, you can change it anytime. Like if you want to add this video in this page, na. This is something that you are asking, na. You can add like this, like it's been added from position section. You have to take it to the two back. Like I have added. Now you can see some of the content are being covered by this. So you have to go to position section, and from position section you have to take it to the back. Now you can see this part is taken here, but again it's placed like this, so you can remove this or you can use it accordingly. Now is it clear?
Okay, yes, ma'am, clear.
Yes. Please tell me, is there any doubt till now? Yes, Gunjan, I'm coming to that. Just wait for 2 minutes. Okay. Any other doubt? How to add more than one clip in the same post? Text diagonally. Like,
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, sorry for the disturbance. If you don't mind, ma'am, I recorded a video, so uploaded today itself, ma'am, right itself. It is easy
can you
to.
please write your query in chat box because your voice is not audible as much clear. Okay, so just watch my screen right now. Then I'll take you time. Then I'll take your all queries. So this is something that someone I guess asked, like how to move your text diagonally. So from this button, as you can see, you can move it diagonally and somewhere. So I've just taken this word, and from the effect section I just want to highlight this thing. Like from shadows I want to give it a shadow of black color from where it can be visible, and by clicking on it uppercase I can keep it in uppercase. So this is something that I have taken. Now I can animate this one by the typewriter. This is my personally favorite typewriter animation. So here you can see we have added one video in background, and over that we have placed one of the text box over it. And this is how you can use any of the elements as well. From like graphic section I can use anything basically. Like if I want to add this, so I can just simply keep it in form. Like this is not visible, so I'm just changing the color, and even I can place animation over this particular text as well. So from this third page, like I'm just going to play this thing. Here you can see, but I guess till now is it clear? But I want to manage the timing of this graphic and this text. So how we can do that? Like if I'm going to click on this, you can see one option that is given above the slide, from where you can manage the timing, like when it gonna be appear on your screen. I want it to be appear first, and want to appear this particular graphic after like from 6.4 second I want it to be appear. So from here again I'm just going to play this. Here you can see from the timing of that graphic it's been shown on our pages. So this is something like you can see the timeline of anything, like we have placed any text over it or any graphic, any image. Like on the background of this you have placed any elements, you can see the timings. This is the video timing, right? Over that this is the graphic timing, and even you will scroll it up, or you will gonna click on this text button, you can see this timing as well. Even you can manage this timing. Now tell me, this is the basic thing that I've told you, like how you can take any video from the element section to the pages, and how you can add such kind of graphics, such kind of text, and how you can manage the timings of that. And by clicking on this add page button, you can add multiple pages accordingly. Like you can manage your content in different styles, different slides basically. So this is how we are working right now on third slide. We have taken first two slide from the templates only from the design button, and third slide we have created from scratch. This is the basic thing. Now tell me, is it clear? And giving you again 5 minutes to review about this,
Yes, ma'am.
because we have to cover lot of advanced things in it.
Ma'am, I didn't understand like how to adjust yes, ma'am, the individual timings of each element, and also like how do you do that overlap of those pages, ma'am? Like in the first page, you did the overlap of the third and yes,
Like
ma'am.
overlapping of which you are asking?
Ma'am, if you go
Actually,
to the first page, if you go to the first page, you overlap the second and the first one.
no, there is no overlapping. As you can see, it's completely in first page. Then after completion of this first page of 13.3 second, then we have second page, and then we
I
have
know.
third
I know.
page.
No, ma'am. Actually, the first one was like if you remember, it was a mix of the second and the third one. That's what. So,
No, can you please write your query in chat box, because you are not, I can't understand what exactly your query is. Which template is used for video editing? Trupti, actually, you can go to Canva and you can write Instagram reel, and you can use this format. Timeline again, okay. I'm just coming back to the timeline again. Whatever icons, whatever elements, whatever text you have placed on this particular video, right? So you need to just click on this, you can see the timeline here. And if you want to adjust, like you want to get it disappear after 3.5 second, like you want to take it from the starting, but you want to get it disappear after 3.8 second. Like I can show you one thing by this. Like I just want to take this graphic first, right? And then text, but after the disappearance of this icon. So I can adjust two things in a single timeline. Like in first thing, I just want this graphic to be appear, and it should be ended here, and from this ending it should be started the text. So this is how you can see how it will appear. I'm just going to play it. This is appeared, and by this you can see the content. So this is how in single pages we have added different thing. From the timing you have to adjust, like the appearance of that graphic and the ending of that graphic. The same thing you can apply to the text. Now tell me, is it clear about the timeline? Tanisha, we are coming to audio after few seconds, like after few minutes. This is the basic thing that I've told you. So if you feel any kind of doubt related to this basic thing, then bring out, otherwise we'll move further. Yes, we can just for the first video as well. Like if I'm coming to this first video, here you can see we have the timeline for each and every text. As you can see, like you want to get it, like I'm taking the second page because it's completely visible. I want it to be appear first, then second, so I can just reduce this timing. Then I want it to be appear, but it should be appear after the appearance of this Wardren Inc. Then we have tech conference. I want it to be appear after the animation of AI, artificial intelligence. So I'm just taking it back and want to see when artificial intelligence animation will stop. So I've just taken this tech conference. Then this should be appear after the tech conference, and then same thing that I can you go for this. I have managed the timings, right? The same thing again I need to do for the each element. Basically, you can manage the timing. You can animate all these elements according to you. Like you can manage the timing, you can keep it drag like this. And again I need to go for this register now button. It should be appear after the appearance of timings and dates, and then it should be appear accordingly. So this is something that I've adjusted according to each and every element. Now I need to play it again. From the second slide you can watch. Like if I'm going to play this, you can see first it's appeared, then we have AI, then we have tech conference, then this, and then we have, because we have managed each and every elements icon timing. Now tell me, is it clear?
Yes,
uh
ma'am.
you do this, I
How
guess
did
it's visible to you.
ma'am?
Yes, Suresh Hadani's, like you can watch it in group itself.
Hello, madam.
Yes.
I just want to know how did you change that timeline icons from uh, landscape to portrait, like listing 1 hour, one
Actually,
hour.
I have taken right now the portrait size.
No,
I
no.
can't change
The
it right now.
bottom part, 1 through 1, 2, 3, anywhere, 20th November. First, yeah, that list.
This thing that you are asking, na? You
Yeah,
have to click on any element over this
no,
page.
no.
Like
You firstly it was like pictures,
coming,
like
then we have this
slideshow. Yeah, but
appearance
it's now looking like listed down one below another.
listed. Like I
Yeah,
can't understand what
yeah.
exactly your query
This
is.
I you are now scrolling right now.
Like this is the
Yeah,
part I'm just doing, na?
yeah.
Ma'am,
How
she's
many?
saying that at the bottom, right now, where the cursor is, the pink alphabets, the letters, those are
Yes.
listed one after the other. But when you started the video, like when you started the preparation, it was not listed like that. So will it become automatically, or should we have to place it one after the other in
Manually.
the
We
editing
have to
software?
do it manually. We have to do
Yeah,
it
exactly. I
manually.
was asking same question.
Okay,
And
okay.
how did you do that, ma'am? Like you said, now we have to do it manually. So how
Like this
to?
is the process I have already told you, na? Like you have to keep the cursor like this and just take it to the like this. You have to see when it should be appearing.
Ma'am, you haven't yet understood. Just hang on, ma'am. Just hang on. Right
Hmm.
now, the cursor is on artificial intelligence, right?
Yes.
Next to that, there is a Google symbol, like the register now symbol, right?
Yes.
So after that, if you scroll down, there is another layer, another element. So yeah, see, Wardiri in tech conference, all those listings. How did you do that listing, ma'am? Did it happen
Actually,
automatically, or you
yes, yes.
added it?
Got it. Actually, what happens? Whatever text you're gonna place on this, like we have taken the pre-designed template, so it's all written in it. You have to just click on any single element. All the text will gonna appear automatically. You don't need to take it out.
But
It will
when you
be there
started,
automatically.
the bottom picture,
Are not visible, right? Like
only
here you can see.
the only that timeline was visible, but the text listing down was not visible. And now it is visible, and you are scrolling up and down. So how did you
See
do
what
that?
happens. Like in the page one, you can't see any timeline. You can't see anything, right? Is it visible in page one? There is nothing. How you can bring out that? This is the main question that you are asking, na?
The text part was not visible firstly.
Exactly. How it
Yeah,
can
only
come
that
out?
video and that pictures was only visible.
See, once you gonna click on any page, and once you gonna click on any element over it, like this, it will start appearing. Once you will click on tech conference, then it will start appearing like this. So this is how it will start, automatically coming out. You have to just click on each and every part, it will start coming automatically. So this is the same thing that you need to do. Like if I'm going to make it like this, and if I'm going to click on this, so This is how it will start automatically appearing one after one. Now clear?
Not yet, ma'am.
I guess this was your doubt, na? How you can bring out all this
Madam,
text.
just a second, ma'am. Madam Trupti, madam, actually, what you have to understand over here is you don't have to do it manually. But once you add all the elements, in the first, we didn't add any element. Now, all the elements are included, like artificial intelligence, register now, address, mail ID, everything is added. So, when you click on that particular page, automatically the listed elements will be shown at the bottom. Like now, we are saying November 20, 20 to 30, 123 Anywhere Street, all those things will appear automatically when you click on the elements.
In
So you don't
listed
have to do
format.
anything. You don't have to do anything. Only thing is you have to add the elements over there, right?
And you have to click on that.
So once in the top screen, like in the full portrait, if you add elements, it will be automatically taken and listed in the bottom page.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, yes.
got it.
So you don't have to do anything. Only thing is you have to add elements in your project, in your work. So that will take it at the bottom. Whenever if you
Okay.
want to edit at the bottom, like where the cursor right now, the hand is there, no? On 20, November
Yeah.
2030. There, if you want to edit anything, that three buttons are there. With that help, you can edit there or on the portrait also.
Okay, got it. Thank you so
Got
much.
it?
Yeah. Thank you
Okay.
so much, all of
And
you.
how to remove the background of video, Tanusha? Actually, we need to have Pro for that. Like if you want to get it remove on Canva only. But if like yesterday's sessions, we have covered remove.bg. Remove.bg is for removing the background of any image. Like this, we have one more, third party website that will help you to remove the background of your video. What is that? I'm coming to. Mom, play the video first out, animation, then add the animation to will understand the timeline. Okay. So basically, what happens if you have proper clear video only? This is the main thing that you have to keep in your mind. Like if you want to remove the background of any image, that image should be clearly visible, and the background is particularly clearly visible. That can be removed by that AI tool. The same thing we have to keep in our mind by while removing the background of your video. If you have your personal video, like I'm right now, I have just recorded my own face video, I'm speaking, but I want to remove the background and want to take the background somewhere, like in these, like want to take some other background. So my video should be clearly recorded. The background should not be noisy. In this case, the tool name is that we have just to remove the background of your video is unscreen.com. For this, like here you can see the example. This is the original video, and this is being created because the object, like the main person is clearly recorded right now. Some cases you can't see the proper video background removal just because of the quality of video you have. Must but the like clear quality of your content in video format, then you need to just upload your clip right now, and you can remove the background. And it's good if you have any video with green screen. That will help you a lot. Like in last class we have covered Pixabay and an Unsplash for HD videos, HD images. And now I'm just going to share you one thing as well. Like I want to take artificial intelligence again right now. I've just written the keyword AI, and by this section from, like you can see Pixabay, and we have all images. Now I just want to take the videos from this section. You can keep it to the videos. For example, I want to take any video from this. While clicking on this videos part, you can come out with some of videos. See, this is the robot video that I want to take, but I want to remove this green part. I just want to take this robot only. So what, like how unscreen.com will help us, because this is the video that is completely, clearly visible. There is no noisy background. and the main character is completely visible, so it will be automatically be cleared easily. Now I'm just going to download this. I have downloaded. Now I need to upload my clip right now that I have downloaded from Pixabay. By clicking on open button, it will start preparing, and it will delete the background, remove the background like this.
Got it, ma'am. Thank you.
Got it?
Ma'am,
Now,
ma'am, I have a small doubt, ma'am.
sorry.
Ma'am, how did you upload the video from the other website to here, ma'am? Like that is the
Yes,
doubt.
yeah, this is the example that I have taken from Pixabay because right now I don't have any video. You can take any of video of your own, but the main thing that I have told you that the background should not be as much noisy because unscreen.com will not help you out in this. Like, it will not work properly if your background is so much noisy and the character is not complete, clearly visible. This is the personal suggestion. Like, if you want to remove the background, your video should be clear and in good quality. And if it's good, like if your background is green color, is of green color. Now I'm just coming to
There is any
back
option for unscreen.com? Is there any
option.
other option for
No, no,
removing?
unscreen is the best one.
Okay.
What is the length of the video you can remove screen?
I just want to take any image over it. Like the same background, I'm just going to take on another page and want to upload that video, the video of that robot. Like, I have just downloaded from unscreen. Unscreen is just to remove the background of any video. Now I'm just clicking on it. This is how you can see it's been placed, and it's clearly visible. There is no way to see the background of this robot. I guess it's clear to everyone. Unscreen.com is the tool that we have covered till now
Ma'am,
What
to
is the
remove the
length of the screen we can use? What is the length of the video, madam?
actually, while uploading on this, clip length limited to 5 seconds. In free, like up to 5 second video, you can remove the length of any clip.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
But it's
is there any quality?
but it
Ma'am,
can be,
excuse
if
me,
you
is
want to
there
get
any
full length of.
quality of the
Just
video
wait.
needed,
Actually, please
ma'am?
mute yourself because you are not audible and your voice is breaking and it's creating kind of mess in class. Just bring out your doubts in chat section only. Here you can see full length is 12 second. Process videos with unlimited length for background free, like in under pro, but in free you have 12 second. Full HD and MP4 video you can use. Now
Excuse
bring
me,
out your
ma'am.
doubts. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
So, ma'am, as you moved the video from the Pixabay directly to the unscreen.com, ma'am, it was easy because you used the laptop. Now, what if we are using a phone and we couldn't like directly move it from Pixabay to unscreen, ma'am?
Actually, your voice is not clear. So not, I'm not getting, like, what was your doubt?
Ma'am,
You told.
her question was, you did it in laptop, like shifting
See one
from
by one.
Pixabay.
See one by one. The person who was asking, can you please write in chat box?
Ma'am, is there quality for the video, ma'am?
So
Ma'am, excuse me,
sorry,
is there any
I can't answer anyone
quality?
because voice is not clear. Please bring out your doubts in chat section only. Please maintain this. I need to mute you all because who is speaking?
ಯಾರೋ ತಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ತಂದ್ರಿಂದ ರೈಟ್ ಈಗ
Gayatri Devi ji, can you please mute yourself because it's creating a lot of noise in the class. Yes, voice call disturbing. Yeah, it was easy for you to drag the video from Pixabay to unscreen. Yes, because it's done on laptop. What if we do the same thing on our mobile? Actually, what happen if you are going to use it on mobile? You will able to see this upload clip option. You just need to click on this upload clip option. Your device, the content of your device will appear. You have to just upload any of the content that you want to upload. By clicking on this upload clip button, you will be able to remove this. Yes. Now we have done with the queries. I guess all of you have completed the 5 minute I have given you just to have a revision of it. Now we are coming back to the topic. So basically, what happened in the page third, we have taken. Now, I just want to delete this second page. So how it can be deleted? Once you wanna click on it, you can see the three buttons over this, or even you can just simply select the page that you want to delete. Press the backspace button. It will be automatically deleted. This is the one thing that you need to do. Or even what you can do by clicking on any page, you can see the three horizontal dots on that particular page. You have to click on this, and by clicking on this you can split the page, you can add the transition, you can delete the page, you can duplicate the page, you can copy paste, resize and something, but resize is only for the pro users. So I just want to delete, need to click on delete button. And again I just want to delete the first page as well, then I have deleted the first page. So this is how we have left with the two pages that we have created from the scratch, right? But I want to add a such kind of transition between the two. Then again you need to click on this three button, then you can see add transition, right? Transition is something that is the that can be added between the two pages. So this is something that I have added, dissolve one. Dissolve one is something, how your first page gonna disappear and the second page gonna appear. So this is something like by sliding, by line wiping, by circle wipe, by match and move, by flow stick, and this limited option we have. So this is something that is can be used to create a transition between the two slides and many more slides, right? You can change the seconds, direction and something like it from above you want to slide it, so you can do this. So this is the basic thing. Again we have completed. Now we are coming to the audio part. From audio, what you can do, like we have upload option from where you can upload your own video, and even we have option to upload your own audio as well. Like if you have some music or some voiceover or something, anything in your mobile phone or in your laptop, so you can upload. But if you want to add music from here only, so like you need to just go to app section. By clicking on this app section, while scrolling it down, you can see the audio button is there. Like here you can see audio, and even you can see audio is also written like this. So you can simply click on it, and from here you can add any of the music. But most of the music will be for only for the pro users, so only few musics will be available in free. So it's good to take from Google or somewhere or from YouTube, so you can upload your own music. So this is the only music that I feel it's for free users. Otherwise most of the music are for pro users only. Like how I can add it, basically where your cursor is. So this is the cursor that you can see, the black cursor. So I just to take it to the starting, and you need to click any of the music. Once you will click on any of the music, you can see your music will be added like this according to the timeline. Like the our second page is uh, completed here, so that's why from the whole music it's taken the specific 21 second. Once you will click on it, you will be able to see lot of options again in this white line. From this delete button, you can delete. From the adjust one, like if you will click on this adjust button, you can see rest of the music gonna visible to you. What you can do, you can just scroll it down and you can take any of the part of that music. Like here you can see in starting there is some kind of beat that you want to avoid, you want to take it from the lyrics part, so you need to just cut that beat part, or you want to take the middle part of that audio. So by clicking on this adjust button, you can see the whole of the audio will be visible to you. You can take any of it, and by clicking on play button, you can listen that as well. Then we have volume button. By this you can increase the volume up to 400, or you can decrease the volume. Like if you want to take such kind of background a little bit sound of the music, so you can keep it in to the low volume. I'm taking it to the 200 right now. And the next option we have is fade. Once you will click on fade button, what happens? By this you can increase the fade in and fade out, or something that you can add it to music. Like if you're gonna start playing your video, the music starts in at low volume, then it takes a pitch, actual pitch. Then while completing that video, it gonna start um reduce the that particular audio of that music. So fade in and fade out, or something where your music can be start and ended with the faded volume. So this is something that you can add. And beat sync is only for the pro user, which is means like your pages and elements will be automatically timed to the music, like up to the beat it can automatically be adjusted, but it's only for the pro users. So now tell me, is there any doubt about adding the voice or
Yes,
the
ma'am. Like,
audio?
ma'am, I didn't understand. Like, how did you just get the required part of that audio, ma'am? Like, actually, you said that you didn't want you only want to start from the particular part. So how to do that? And also, like, I didn't understand the fade in fade out concept, ma'am.
The main concept that you want to ask is,
Yes, ma'am. I want to ask, like, how do you add that only the required part of the song? Like, we don't want the entire song, only the required part of the song you want to add. That is one doubt, ma'am.
okay,
And
okay,
and the second doubt
the
is how did you do?
specific part na from adjust section you are asking, right?
Yes, ma'am. Correct, ma'am. Correct.
Yes. While clicking on adjust button, you can like drag and take the specific part of the volume. So basically what happens when you're gonna add any music, it will automatically start taking it from the first beat, but you want to cut that enter part of the song, and the last part you want to take a middle part of the music. By clicking on adjust button, what happens, the rest of the music will be will start visible to you. So you have to click on adjust button and just drag which part. Like you have to listen it simultaneously so that it can be audible to you, and you can take which part of that music you want to take, specifically which part, because our video length is just of 21 second. Like the first page is of 7.9 second, and 13 point second is of second page. So complete video is of 21 second. So for the whole video, like video length is 2.59 second. From 2 second 2 minute audio, I just want to take a 21 second part. From adjust section, what I can do, I can take that specific part by while just dragging it somewhere. You can listen and you can adjust which part you want to add in this 21 second only.
Understood, ma'am. And then, like, actually, yes, ma'am, could you please repeat that, yes, ma'am, the fade in, fade out concept, if you don't mind. Fade it, fade out.
Fade in and fade out, or something like your music starts like when it start from here, it will start at low volume and end at low volume. If you are going to add fade in and fade out, as word explain itself is fade in, like music start at low volume, then it take a full pitch after minutes. Like in how many seconds it will start take the complete full pitch, like you can set the limit.
Okay, ma'am.
Like if you want to take the exact volume after 1.3 second. At by 1.3 second it will start at low pitch. By low pitch it will start taking the highest volume that you
Oh,
have given.
okay, ma'am. Understood, ma'am. Thank you.
Good.
Ma'am, I have written my question in the chat
Yes,
box.
yes,
Please
I'm
have a
just
look at it.
watching that as well. Like on voice audio you want to add, you have to go to upload section.
Yeah, I will go to upload, but I want to break it into three parts. How do I do that?
Why do you need to take split it
Yeah,
into three
because
parts?
when I record it is for 1 hour, but I want to save it. It is capturing my mobile space, so I want to put it into my email. So when I try to send to my email, it says it's very lengthy, not possible to send. So I want to break that 1 hour into 20 minutes.
Okay,
That is,
so you
it's
have your recorded audio in your mobile and you want to take it into your laptop, right?
yes, yes, perfect, perfect.
Okay, so do one thing basically. If you are using Canva in your mobile phone, just open Canva in mobile phone in Google Chrome and upload there. This is the best option, and you can use Google Drive as well.
Okay. Acha, in Google Drive, it will save completely.
Yes, yes, it will be saved
Okay,
completely.
then it is sufficient for me.
Yes, yes. No, there is no option to add any kind of subtitles or something. You have to add it manually. The same thing, Padmaji, that you can use, like use Google Drive for that. Right? Now
Okay.
tell me, is there any doubt related to anything? How you can add music, how you can add your own music, how you can create it from scratch, how you can take any templates and you can add multiple pages. And even we have option to add
Excuse me, ma'am.
transitions between the two. Yes.
Ma'am, like if I want to add any audio from
Hmm.
like a movie or some other video, how do I take it from that particular movie or that scene?
Again, the same thing that you have to do from the upload section. You have to upload. If you have in your mobile phone, then upload it on Google Drive and take it on your laptop.
No, I don't have it. So like how do I download it from outside without like getting any bugs or stuff like that?
Okay, so you want to take any kind of audio from Google, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Like go to Google or go to YouTube. For example, you want to add any music on it. Just go to YouTube, like, and a link will be there of any music. You just need to copy that link and just go to Google and write YouTube to MP3.
Okay.
YouTube to MP3. Then first site will be there. You have to just add the link of that YouTube video, and in MP3 you can convert. MP3 is something, the audio format, and if you want that video in MP4 video, you need to just click on in MP4. Then it will be downloaded in video format. But for audio you need to take MP3, right?
Yes. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, adding text using AI, that while we'll take short when generate text. Exactly what doubt is. We'll take doubt session at the end. Now I'm coming back. The basic thing is clear to everyone, right? Now I'm just going to play this. Now you can see this video length is limited, but it's automatically replayed because the length of that background is 13 seconds, so it's been automatically replaying. Now the main thing that we need to understand is, now again I'm just taking the blank page. We have one more option under the audio, that is generate AI voice. Once you're gonna click on it, you can write your own script, like, hi, we are going to learn digital marketing with AI in the 3 week summer boot camp. Like, this is the script that I want to use. Hi, we are going to learn digital marketing with AI in the 3 week summer boot camp by MSME. Right. So this is the script that I have written. Now I need to select the voice. Like, English US is there, but you can use Hindi as well, just to change the accent. Like, if you want to take in English US, then accent will be like in US language. But if you're gonna select Hindi, then such kind of accent will be visible. If you want to take the female voice, then I need to click this, and even you can listen this. Like, here it's saying I, so I need to specify artificial intelligence just to make it like, right now it's not audible to all because the mic is not shared. So only I can hear this AI voice. I just want to add on this second page this particular voice. Now coming to that point, like, if you want to add any kind of voiceover on your pages and the audio as well, the both you want to add simultaneously. So how you can keep, from the AI voice you can generate, and by clicking on this generate AI voice button, it will be generated. And if you're going to click on add button where your cursor is located, here you can see it's automatically been added. But right now what happened, the voice is completely audible, but at that case I just want it to be at highest volume and the song is at lowest volume. So what I need to do, basically, I can keep my cursor like here. Just watch it carefully, because this is the basic thing that you need to understand. Like, by clicking on AI voice button, where my cursor is located, it's been added here. But you can manage like where you want to take. I want to take it from the starting of the second page, so that's why I have taken right here. And keep your cursor where you want to split the audio. Like, all gas no breaks is this music that I have taken right now. I want to split it, just because I want the music at the highest volume in the page one. But by the occurrence of this AI voiceover, I want this volume at the lowest one, because it can't be audible. So for that reason, I have taken my cursor right here. You just need to click the right button. By clicking on right button, what happened? You will able to see the split audio option. Once you will click on split audio, here you can see this single video. It's been automatically be splitted into two parts, and this part I want to be at the lowest volume, so that the volume of AI voiceover will be audible, and want to take it at highest one. And I need to add fade one, because by fade out, actually what happens, it will start automatically fading out, and it will be at lowest volume. And by ending of the AI voiceover, like here, again I want to split this audio. Now again it's been splitted, because I want it to add the same audio that we have taken in the page 2, because I want the volume at lowest pace only for this part. I've just taken the same. Now I need to listen. Like, you can't hear, but I. Now tell me, is it clear how it works? If we need Indian English speaking, so I've already told you have to just select the language Hindi. By selecting language Hindi, the accent will be changed, but the format is the same. Like you can use it in your own basically. How to add music in the video from the Google? You can take from the. I've already told how you can take. Repeat the why to part, ma'am. Okay. So basically, what happens if you are taking any YouTube video link, you just need to Google. You need to write YouTube to MP3. Just write on Google YouTube to MP3. First site will be there. Any first site, just open that. You will be able to see the option to paste any YouTube link. Just paste that YouTube link. Here should be MP3. Like if you want to take it in audio format, just click on convert button and then it will give you an option to download. So this is how you can take any YouTube video into audio format. Is the same script in every split audio. See what happens. My AI voiceover is only for this part only. So I have splitted this single audio in three parts because I want it to be in full volume. Here I want it to be at the lowest volume and again it want to be at highest volume. For that reason only I just need to break it into three part. AI voiceover is only for this part only. For this specific 6.6 second of the appearance of page second, we have the voiceover. So for that reason we have taken this. And one more thing, like I need to just play. Just wait. I guess it can be audible to all. You have to, try it yourself for better understanding because voice is not coming right now. Right? Just wait. I just want.
இதோட இது சிக்னல் இருக்கா உங்களுக்கு? அது பக்கத்துல வச்சேன்னா அது கேட்கும். அப்படின்னு அதை மேட்ச் பண்ணும். இது எப்படி ஆன் பண்ணும்? என் மொபைல் வால்யூம் ரொம்ப குறைச்சலா போய் இதான் ஆன். எது ஆன்? இதான் ஆன். இதான் ஆன். வால்யூம் ப்ளஸ் மைனஸ் எப்படி? ப்ளஸ் மைனஸ் ஓகே.
I guess it's clear to everyone.
என்ன வேலை இருக்கு? 150 ரூபாய் அது கனெக்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு அது இருக்கு.
This is a humble request to everyone, and even you can say it's a last warning to all. Please don't create any kind of background noise while I'm teaching. Please. This is the last warning, otherwise, I'll kick it out because I'm the host here. So I can, kick you out if you are creating any kind of background noise in between. Please maintain this thing. If you have any doubt, don't mute, just bring out your queries in chat box. Okay, done. So basically, one more thing that I need to tell you, again coming back to this. So right now I have just written my content in English language and selected the Hindi voice just to bring out an Indian accent. Here I can write in English as well. How it works? Uh, Namaste everyone. This is something that I need to write in Hindi right now, just to bring out a Hindi or voiceover. Namaste everyone. आज हम digital marketing. This is something that I need to write in English. Namaste everyone. आज हम digital marketing with artificial intelligence की classes शुरू करने वाले हैं. So this is the only script I need to write. आज हम डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विद आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की क्लासेस शुरू करने वाले हैं. So this thing I need to write like in English. आज से हम. And again I need to select Hindi. And again I can listen and right. What was above message? Which message you are saying? Okay, for from on recording, you can't reduce the noise in Canva tool. In some other tool, we have some other options, but we have nothing. Like if you want to add any kind of audio from your, we don't have any option to reduce the background noise in it. So now tell me, is it clear? We have completed the basic things for video editing in Canva, like how you can take it from the design section template, how you can start it from scratch. We have covered one more tool, unscreen.com, just to remove the background of any video of your own, or you can take it from anywhere, like we have taken the video from Pixabay, right? And then we have discovered how you can add the audio part, and how you can upload your own audio. And the main thing that we have covered is the AI voiceover. So this is something that we have covered in whole today's session, right? How to change the background, Aditya. Actually, what happened, you have one of the stickers or the graphics without the background, you can place any of the background in it. You don't need to change that. Yes, now you need to practice about it. Yes, Venkatesh ji, I'll ask them to send the recorded video tonight, but it's not possible to share tonight. You can see the video in the morning only. And now the homework part is, you have to practice all these things and bring out one best video related to anything, like I want you all to use voiceover as well. So this is the topic that you can take, like about this 3 week summer boot camp. Whatever we gonna write, or whatever we gonna learn in these 3 weeks, you have complete curriculum about this. You have the topics, you can use any of these. Just use a voiceover option, music option, use any of the video from the Google or anything. This is the homework. Again, repeating the homework. The homework is, you have to create one video while using voiceover. Remove.bg, oh sorry, unscreen.com, sorry, unscreen.com, voiceover, and audio as well, like the music part. Like the you can take the music at the lowest volume. So these three things you have to use, and bring out one video. And the video should be related to this 3 week summer boot camp. You have the curriculum, you have the topics that we're going to cover in this. So related to that, you can create your own script, and accordingly you have to add more than 2 pages in your video. Make sure you have to add more than 2 pages, and at the end you can add one of the pages for thank you or something. Again, I'm writing the homework in the group. Create one video by using unscreen, AI voiceover, music on 3 week summer boot camp only. So this is the homework actually. Create one video by using unscreen, AI voiceover, music on 3 week summer. Sorry, wheels लिख दिया मैंने. 3 week summer boot camp. So this is the homework. Yes. Now, one by one, you can unmute if you have some doubt, or even you can write in chat box if you have doubt. Now we have done with the today's part. Those who want to leave, they can leave, and those who want to check out their homework, the previous homeworks of second day, or do you have any doubts or queries and you want to discuss about this, it's good thing. Like if you feel, if you want to stay in the class just to watch out the queries and something, so then you can stay in the class. Otherwise, from my side, today's part is done. Right now, yes,
Ma'am,
Yes.
from everybody's behalf, this is one kind request, ma'am, to the management
Yes,
that
yes.
if we can have a WhatsApp group where we can also reply. Because if you are giving us the same homework in the Zoom space, we can't go back and check it out for our referral purposes, like what you have typed or what you have given. So somebody will be noting it in laptop, somebody will be checking it out while traveling, like that. And most of us are all working and they'll be having their own different kinds of situations. So if as a record of information, if we can have a WhatsApp group where, because this is involved with practicals too. If it is only theory, it's okay, but this involves practical too. It would be a better suggestion or a request from everyone's behalf to have a WhatsApp group where the teachers or the tutors can send all the homeworks and all the details there, and also we can also share the created homework links over there, so each and
Yes,
other
yes.
of us can check. So like for example, I'm using my mobile phone for the class. So now if I start to check somebody's homework, I'll lose the class now. So if I
Yes,
have to
yes.
check it out later on, I don't have the option in the Zoom space
Okay,
after the class
okay.
ends.
Yes, yes, I got your point, and this is the best thing that we can work over it. So, while having a discussion with the MSME member, I'll type in the group itself. Like now, you can share your homework in the group.
Yeah,
I'll
and
send
another
that
request
message.
is, ma'am, another request is if we can get the recorded videos by the end of the day or at least before 10 or 11 a.m. in the morning next day, it will be helpful for us to refer and create our homeworks by the end of the day, by 6 o'clock next day's class, so we don't lag our homework, ma'am. Because for example, I'm right now in hospital, my father is admitted. So if I have to take care of the homework in the midnight, by the end of the day, if I don't get it next day, it will be a piling up or a pending up work for me.
Actually, there is no, kind of limit, like you have to complete your task on the day itself. By the end of this 3 weeks, you have to submit all of the tasks. So it is something that is designed in a way, like it can't be, piled up to
but
you. So
but
that for
but
that reason only it is designed like. But if it's upon you, like if
that is true,
you
ma'am.
can't.
That is true, ma'am.
Yes.
Same example. In my case, if I have to create my first day's very basic Canva post, now I don't have the reference. So by the time I create and post it, where can I post in the link? I mean, in the Zoom call, right? So it would be easier for us to have a WhatsApp group where the management and the students and the participants together can chat, so that each and every one of us can have an insight about each other. Say, for example, if Mr. X from the group has created excellently, so I can
Mhm.
take an inspiration from
Yes,
him and
yes,
I
yes.
can
Yeah,
try
I
to
got
create
your
it
point.
myself.
Actually, ma'am,
Yeah, yeah,
if
got your
we
point.
allow all to reply on WhatsApp group, then I think it will be, we can miss the important links by MSME also, no? Because n number of participants are there. How can we get the links by MSME then easily?
Ma'am,
It will be very
actually, we
difficult.
have a group already from the MSME where we cannot reply. So that will be the
Okay,
official
another
link
group you are
posting
talking.
key informative group, ma'am. This is for us to chat or for the participants to have a clarification or an insight. Every time we cannot pester the management or the tutors, right? So we can at least some of them already have known how to use Canva. Like I don't know how to use Canva, but I'm using it for the past 5 years. So
I got
if
your
somebody is
points.
knowing there,
I'll bring out this queries and this suggestions to the team, and then they will continue with
thank you
this.
so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, sure. Got your point. So we have lot of homeworks. Now I am coming back to check. We have Bhupesh Kumar's homework, the logo that they have completed, the image that you have created with Magic Media, right? And the text option is there. Good. Then we have Sri Watson's homework. Yeah, this is the EA image that you have created. Good. And the text part. Great. Good. Great thing that actually have done by Jainab Haseen. Actually, what they do, they have completed the task and they have written the name, like by which tool they have created this. This is the best thing that I feel. Like they have written the from Bixabe and the Movebuji, they completed this. Then from Magic Media, then Mojo AI, then Colorify. This is the best thing. This is something great. Great, Jainab. Then we have Vidhi Sahaya's homework. Great black and white photo. Then it's been changed to color. BG removed. Best thing that you did. This is the magic media and the prompt that you have used. Great. This is something that you did good.
Ma'am, sorry for the disturbance, ma'am. Venkatesh, ma'am.
Yes.
Same thing I have written, ma'am. Same thing. Same 7 sheets, 8 sheets I prepare.
Mm.
And
Yes.
also so the video, recorded video, it is giving to the night time means it is better to practice, ma'am. Actually, practice and do the homework means it is wonderful. It's
Okay,
come,
no
ma'am.
worries. You can take one day. Like if I'm teaching, like I have told you about the video editing, na, then you need to.
No, ma'am.
If you
They will
need
send.
time, then you can bring out your homework after day one. No problem.
So, okay, ma'am.
Great, great. But
Uh,
here we can see our content is not visible, so
excuse
you
me,
have
ma'am.
to change the color.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Great. Yes.
Actually, I'm Pranam Madigan from Chennai. See, in my case, what is the problem is I'm outside of Chennai and I'm just having my cell phone. So I can't able to download this specific app due to some
Due
constraints.
to?
So due to some constraint, I can't able to because I'm in a low network area, ma'am.
Okay.
So what can I do? Or any suggestions for me?
Yes, actually, you can just complete some of the tasks, like if your network is working or something, some of the tasks that you have to submit. Like, not right now, after the end of this 3 weeks. This is good, Lakshita. Actually,
Okay,
it's
ma'am. Okay,
great.
ma'am. Thank you.
It's good, very good, very nice. This is something really great. And like one thing that I just want to share as well, like whatever the work you are doing, right, you have Insta and Facebook as well. Like you can go to Insta. If you are on Instagram, you can upload your homework in your story and you can just tag Digital Dronacharya. Our brand is this, from where I'm from, the team of Digital Dronacharya. You can tag Digital Dronacharya on Instagram. We will reshare your homework. Actually, this is the best homework that I am watching right now. So like you can start sharing your homework to social media. Lakshita, this is something great. Then again we have some of the homeworks. Great, but the color of food menu should be changed because it's not as much clearly visible just because of the color. Great. Then we have Shubham Yadav's homework. Great. Good. Very good. Very nice. Srujti. Great. Good. Then we have next homework. It's not been shared with anyone with the link in view. So you have to share with anyone with the link. Ananya's homework is there. Good. It's already been written, like how it's been generated. Great work. Perfect. Then we have next homework, Sneha's. Again, this it's been written like how it's been created. Good, very good, very good. Puneet Sharma's. Nice, very nice. What you need to do, you just need to write the name like from where, like it's been created from Magic Media, then it's been created from Mojo AI. So this is a thing that you need to use. Very good, very nice. Yes, Padma, we have class tomorrow. We will cover some basic to advanced video editing in next class.
Ma'am, do we have a class on Saturday and Sunday?
We do have class on Saturday, but not on Sunday.
Okay.
You will be able to see all this informations about classes in the group itself.
Okay.
This is the this is something that's been created by someone great, great, great. Ritesh, actually, you have to create one video, right? One video related to this 3 week summer boot camp, having the slides of 3 pages. Like you can add 3 pages up to like more than 2 pages you need to add, and the topics that you have already, like on which topics you need to complete your video by using unscreen.com and the AI voiceover and the audio part. Great work by everyone. It is something that is commendable. Very good. Very nice. This is the best thing that I am watching right now. Like you all have, given a title. Like this is the task 2, this is the task 3. This is the best thing that you did. Great. Very good. So any other doubt to anyone? Now we need to
Ma'am,
sum up
uh,
today's session.
ma'am, actually, I have a small request, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I put the last homework. Like I think that you didn't open, ma'am. That's why the final homework, like which you gave in first class. That one you opened like two of my links, but last one you didn't open. Yes, ma'am. This one, this one.
Yes, yes, this is good. The word the Pinta floors is not as much visible because the color is yellow and the background is
Okay, ma'am.
also yellow. So we
Okay, ma'am.
have
Okay.
to keep the formation of colors like this. If we have the background is in dark color, then use you know light color text simultaneously that you have to use.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Great, great, great. So how's the today's session?
Good, madam.
Excellent.
Good, good. Very good. I hope you are enjoying the sessions, na? Okay, bye bye. Bye everyone.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You will get the recording of the class in the group itself. Bye. Bye everyone.